Okay, so be honest, does your shop wall look organized, or does it look like tools just live wherever they land? Flex just dropped a system that's basically a reset button. This is the track lock system. It has rails, hooks, racks, shelves, and you can move everything around without tools. So a question we get on these is what makes them so special? Because we've all seen wall systems and modular setups before, there's two things. First, it's tool free. You clamp it on, slide it, swap it around, you're done. The biggest difference maker, Flex built these with secure non-slip rubber contact points where the attachment meets the rail. So once you clamp it down, it's intentionally hard for anything to slide around on you or creep out of place. That's a big deal, especially compared to a lot of other systems where you can slowly shift after you've been grabbing tools all week. Less drifting, less rattling, and your layout stays where you set it. Oh, and the best part, it's compatible with StackPack, so your setup can go from wall to the job site. Here's a simple version. Track lock is a wall rail you mount once, and then everything else clamps onto it. So instead of committing to one layout forever, you can snap attachments on and swap them around all tool-free. The rail is built for real installs too, 16-inch on center mounting for standard studs, and the rail base is rated up to 75 pounds. So it's not just hang a tape measure, you can build an actual wall of tools, cords, and other gear. And if you got StackPack, you can easily add rails to your boxes and use track lock attachments there too. Each of these box rails is rated up to 30 pounds. First up, the foundation, the 32-inch wall mount rail. This is what everything attaches to. It mounts on standard stud spacing, supports heavy loads, and the end caps come off so you can run multiple rails side by side for a clean, continuous setup. Next are your everyday hooks, the ones most people will start with, like the dual straight hook that is great for drills, levels, tape rules, or your daily grab of tools. Or the straight hook, which is perfect for slimmer stuff like scrapers, scissors, tape, or track saw rails. Then add on the dual C hook that is awesome for tool bags, impacts, hammers, things you want to secure, or you can jump up to the C hook for bulkier tools like nailers, rotary hammers, and hoses. These all use the same tool-free clamp, so once you get your spacing right, you're done. If you've got bigger, awkward gear, or you just don't want hooks sticking out all the time, these folding options are clutch. Like the large folding dual straight hook for long-handled tools and outdoor power equipment. Or the large folding dual C hook for cords, hoses, sledgehammers, step ladders, and just awkward loads. Finally, the large folding U hook for the bigger stuff like ladders, sawhorses, or other wide items. And when you're not using them, they fold in so the wall stays clean. But now for landscaping tools, this is where the system gets really satisfying. Throw on the S hook for long-handled tools, quick hang, easy grab, or the triple clamp tool mount. This one actually clamps the handle so brooms, rakes, and shovels stay locked in. It even has a grip assist feel so it's easy to load. Also options for the shop like the spool rack for your shop towels, duct tape, cable rolls, or just your easy swap tools. You also have the magnetic bar to toss your fasteners, bits, hand tools, or anything metal you need to grab quickly and not lose. The 7 straight hook rack, which is great for wrenches, screwdrivers, and hand tools. A screwdriver rack for a dedicated screwdriver storage. The plier and snip rack for your pliers, snips, adjustable wrenches, or even caulk guns. Or the belt and tool rack for pouches, tapes, knives, or smaller tools with hooks. If you want storage that's more play stuff than hang stuff, this is the section. They have a tool rack that is great for power tools, batteries, chargers, plus it can convert into a shelf-style setup. A compact shelf or a long shelf depending on your needs for space. And if you need a place to store grinders, Flex thought of you too with the angle grinder and polisher rack. Built for up to 7-inch grinders or polishers with spots for the handle, wrench, and the cords. If you don't want to piece it together, Flex also has built out pre-made sets like the 10-piece all-purpose wall storage set that is a solid covers everything starter layout. Or the 6-piece landscaping tool storage set built specifically for long-handled tools and outdoor gear. Mobility may not be your speed, so you'll want to be sure to get the rails for StackPack so you can attach track lock hooks and racks directly to your stack. They offer a StackPack front mount rail which adds mounting to the front and the back of your box. This is the move if you want your most used stuff like your cords and accessories outside the box and easy to grab. The big picture here, track lock is for anyone who wants a clean wall setup that can change as your tools change. Tool-free adjustments, clear weight ratings, and the option to bring the organization onto StackPack for the job site. Okay, so the links are in the description below to check out the whole track lock lineup at Ohio Power Tool, and tell us in the comments what's the first thing you would be organizing. The garage wall, the trailer, or the service bay? Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and get back to work.